Hi, I'm Jillian Jones at the agency, and welcome to 289 Northwest Cerritos in Palm Springs. Situated in Sunrise Park in Palm Springs is this designer-appointed and furnished mid-century modern home with luxury finishes for today's homeowner. Some people say the most beautiful light is at the end of the day. Here, beautiful light pours in all day long, and residents are treated to the grand finale of mountain sunsets every night. Central to all, the kitchen is a richly moody spot for preparing the best of meals to serve at the spacious dining room. The primary bedroom and bath focus on the views of the pool and mountains with walls of windows, and a gorgeous freestanding tub overlooks those same breathtaking views. With 5 bedrooms on nearly a half an acre lot, freshly landscaped with hedging, low-maintenance plantings, and palm trees, the owners took advantage of the space and added a full 1-bedroom, 1-bath solar-powered guest house with a fully equipped kitchen and living room, a nice step up from a casita and great for guests or investment income. In the main house, beautiful pops of color thoughtfully play against the neutral decor palette, each bedroom on a dedicated wing of the home, 2 overlooking the pool. The pool is beautifully restored while maintaining the cool 1950s seated table area inset. Modern wall sconces and breeze block features enhance the mid-century Palm Springs vibe against the crisp white stucco. This could definitely be the place for great memories for your Palm Springs getaway.